Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking basics quickly, battery above 20% and a steady connection. Once done, open settings and find about phone to note your model and Android version. This matters because options vary. Next, search settings for navigation, gestures, or system UI to jump straight to controls. You want to locate the exact menu now, don't scroll aimlessly. If a search bar exists, use it. This speeds you to the right panel where toggle, gesture, and 3-button options live. Now you change the navigation mode. In navigation or display settings, identify whether you're on gestures or hidden buttons. That tells you what to switch. Choose 3-button navigation or an explicit show navigation bar toggle to restore visible buttons. If that option is missing, enable System UI Tuner, press and hold the settings gear, or inspect accessibility for interaction controls. Make the change, then test home, back, and recent keys. If they reappear, you're set. If not, proceed to the next steps. Finish by trying standard recovery actions. Restart the phone, install pending system updates, and test a different launcher. Sometimes a custom launcher hides the bar. If you're comfortable, use ADB to reset UI overrides. A DB shell settings put global policy control null because overlays can disable the bar. Make sure to back up before any reset. If nothing works, a factory reset may restore navigation, but be aware it erases data. Troubleshooting tip: if buttons vanish again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.